If you're looking for vibration settings on the Xiaomi 17, you just have to open settings on your phone and then scroll down a little bit, and you should be able to find sound and vibration. So we can now, of course, open this menu, and in here we can find a couple of vibration settings. Although there's not much that we can do in terms of the vibration management, still we can manage vibration over here. We can find a couple of options such as the vibrate for calls, which can be easily toggled over here. You can also toggle vibrate in silent mode, so if you want your phone to still be able to vibrate even if you use the silent mode, then of course you can keep this option activated. And also there is the haptic feedback, so vibration responses whenever you interact with something on your screen, whether it is like an option, button, whatever it is. And of course we can toggle it quite easily just by tapping on the switcher, and also we have this slider that adjusts the intensity or strength of that haptic feedback. And that is pretty much all vibration settings, so as you can see not many of them are available on this phone, but this is what we got, this is what we can find over here. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.